What is your concept of nutrition in pregnancy?
That's a really interesting question. So, just some trivia. When I got pregnant, I'm very old school. I look all modern and I'm very stylish and all that is great, but I'm very I want to live like how people lived 50 years back at least. So I put on 32 kilos. That's an absolute no-no. So if I were to get pregnant again, I think I'd want to be just 20 kilos. And then I delivered and I thought I'll lose that baby weight. I put on another 2 kilos after that because I was married into a Punjabi family and they kept feeding me something called pinni. I have no clue why I ate all those pinnis, but I just think that you have to eat nutritious food, but that doesn't mean that it has to be laden with fat. Saying that, I am very pro ghee. I had everything made with ghee, and I think having a center like this is really great, where you have your gynac and your nutritionist telling you exactly what to do. You have to obviously start having folic acid, and back in the day, where did people have all these things? You can actually derive everything from the food that you are eating.
Manage. I follow you on Instagram. You seem to be very busy.
Yes, I love being busy. I enjoy doing what I do, and I think that's what keeps me going. I'm very blessed, and I have great amount of gratitude for all that I have in my life. I'm very grateful to my husband who is willing to help, and he's a very hands-on father as well. So it wouldn't have been possible for me to achieve all that I have and I am continuing to, if not for his help. So I have to give him due credit. But I really believe that in life you have to do the tightrope walk, and you have to know what to prioritize. So when I'm at home, I'm 100% at home. I don't like to be disturbed. When I'm with my child, I'm in mommy mode. When I'm on set, I'm actor mode. And that's how I've dealt with things. So I'm lucky that I have help. I have my mom who lives with me. But saying that, my mom and dad both worked, and we only saw them on Saturdays and Sundays. And they used to lie to us and go on Saturday evenings to watch a movie or, spend some time with each other as well. And we turned out great. So there's no regrets. And I just feel that in today's time, the amount of time that Raj and I give our child, that much time even my parents didn't give us. We're like so anal about what our child is doing, how many extracurricular activities we can put him into, and do those exercises. They only download and then they'll subscribe and they'll expect somebody else to do it. That's not going to make you lose weight, my friend. So please do this. And you keep saying Kudla the Ponnu, Bangalore the Ponnu. What's the use? I've come here and not one hand has gone up. It's terrible. You have to download my app, guys.